Hello. Okay, it's time to do math again. I hope you have your pages out and ready to go. We have been talking about subtraction for quite some time now, and today we're going to evaluate whether or not some subtraction sentences are true or false. If they are true, that means that they are correct. If they're false, that means they are not correct. So we have a story here about 6 birds that are making honey, and 3 of the bees fly away. So let's go ahead and start drawing that. 6 bees that are making honey, and 3 of them fly away. And Liam says that there are 4 bees still left making honey. Is that correct? Is that true? No, that is not true. There's only 3, isn't there? So this would be a false statement. Okay, let's go ahead and turn the page. In math, statements can be true or false. A true statement is correct. 9 minus 4 equals 5. They've got 9 turtles up here, and they've marked out 4 of them. And so let's see how many are left. 1, okay, not working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yes, 9 minus 4 equals 5. That is true. So go ahead and trace the word true. No, okay. Then a false statement is incorrect. So this says 8 minus 3 is 1. Yeah, so here's 8 dinosaurs. Did I call those turtles before? It's late. I can't really tell if those are turtles or dinosaurs, but there were 8 of them, and 3 of them have X's. And so here's what is left. Is that 1? No, that is false. So trace that word false. Okay, so we're going to do these next statements down here at the bottom and determine if the sentence is true or false. 8 minus 4 equals 5. Is that true or false? I hope you said it is false. Yeah, because do you know what 8 minus 4 really is? How could you make that correct? Yeah, 8 minus 4 equals 4. Because if I use addition to help me figure this out, I know that 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, look at number 2. 9 minus 0 equals 0. Is that true or false? Well, let's see. If I have 9 and I don't take any of them away, is that 0? Does that leave 0? No, that would be false, isn't it? Okay. Is there a way you could make that one correct? What if we said 9 minus 9 equals 0? Then it would be true, wouldn't it? Okay, let's look at number 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Is that true or false? Okay, I hope you said true. Yeah, because if I do the related addition sentence, kind of do the reverse operation, 2 plus 3 does equal 5. All right, and so number 4, 7 minus 4 equals 3. Okay, do you think that's true or false? Well, is 3 plus 4 equal to 7? It is. Okay, let me see if I can use this. I've been practicing with the tools and apparently not practicing well enough because my eraser is not working. Okay, well, we're going to ignore that little line there. But yes, this one is, oh dear. I'll fix that. I can't handle that jumpy screen. That would Oh, dear. Oh, I should not have even touched that eraser. Okay, let me go back to black. And it's, oh, for heaven's sakes. Let me see. Yeah, phew. Okay, there we go. True. 8 minus 7 equals 1. Well, the reverse operation is 1 plus 7 equal to 8. If we go backwards, reverse operations, 1 plus 7 equals 8. Yes, so that would be true. 8 minus 7 would only leave 1. And number 7, what about, or excuse me, 6. What about 0 equals 9 minus 0? Okay, that one is false. And it's not false probably for why you think. It gets confusing when you get the equals in the wrong or, in a different place. I always say you have to have the largest number in front of the minus because sometimes you will see a sentence that looks like this. 9 minus 0. That means if you're taking none away from 9, then the answer is still going to be 9. That's why this one is false, not because the equals is in the first symbol. Okay. All right. When you have the equal sign like that, it's supposed to indicate that the number on this side is supposed to be the same as the number that's represented by this equation here. 9 minus 0 equals 9. And that's not the same as 0 over here on this side of the equal sign. So, yep, that is false. Okay, now math talk down here, talk math. How do you know when a subtraction statement is true? Can you explain that? Maybe to an adult that's sitting close by? How do you know when a subtraction statement is true? Yeah, it's when it is correct. That's how you tell if it's true. All right. Now we're going to move on to the next page. And I am going to let you do this on your own. So you circle whether or not these subtraction sentences are true or false. Okay, some of them are written across and some of them are written, vertically. Number 11 and 12 are written vertically. So go ahead and do that on your own and then be sure to put that in your Bear book. And as my dojo message had said, for my class, I'm asking the boys and girls to gather all of those pages that you have in your Bear book to turn in, put them in a big Ziploc baggie, and either on Monday or Tuesday, you can have your parents bring those to the school and trade the ones that are completed for the next couple of chapters or next packet of papers to put in your folder so we can work on those between now and the time we get back to school. All right, so I'm going to let you do that side on your own. Turn the page and why is I can't see the top of the page. Well, that's going to be a problem. Okay, I'm going to let your parents help you with the top one, number 17. I'll read this one and help you with that. It says there are 7 spiders on a web. 5 of those spiders crawl away. There are 3 spiders left. Do you think that's true or false? Okay, well, we can't even see the whole picture of the spider web, but if there were 7 and you take 5 of them away, then are you going to be left with 3? So in other words, that would be like, let's see, 7 minus 5 equals 3. Is that correct? No, I don't think so, because I know that 3 plus 5 equals 8, not 7. So that is false. Okay, down here in the written part, it says write your own false statement and then explain why your statement is false. Okay, this will be kind of fun. I am going to let you do this one on your own. You come up on this top line and you make your own false statement. Okay, right up here on the top line, you make your own false statement and then tell me why it's false. Okay, is it because the whole number is incorrect, or whatever the reason is for your sentence being incorrect or false? All right, that's the end of our math for today. I think I've got IXL scheduled for my class to work on today. There's a specific lesson that's associated with true and false statements. There's actually two, H.16 and J.7. Okay, until next time, bye-bye.